Hey guys, I want to show you a little trick here. It's called the kickstand turn. Have you ever been in a situation where your bike is parked like this, you might have some scooters, other vehicles in front of you, and you want to go back that way? You know, you can get on your bike and move forward and look kind of like a newbie, right? Or you do the kickstand turn. Super easy, you can do it on any bike. Little bike, KTR, 150cc, up to a Hayabusa, 1300cc, even a Harley, I'm sure. All you do, what I do, there's different techniques. The way I do it is I actually grab the handlebar right here. I grab the back end. I'll come over here and show where I'm holding right here. You just want to hold on to something pretty strong. You can do like the actual shock itself. The seat right here is fine. So what I do is I bring it back so the front end's off, and then I bring the back end up. Now you have it. You're basically holding it up on the kickstand, but all the weight you are controlling. You basically just turn, whoop-de-doop, and then down you go. You're out of here. I'll show you again. Front, up, back, turn like this. You want to go the other way? Absolutely. If you want to just keep doing turns, that's fun too. There you go. That's kickstand turn. Okay.
Oh man, every time these cocksuckers always park in my spot, I gotta get out of here. What am I gonna do? I know. Check this out. 1, 2, and see ya. Whoa, I'm out.
Woo! He's fast.